Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade version of Dunkin' Donuts Spring Menu Banana Cream Latte, or is it iced coffee? Okay, with the ingredients, I'm gonna use a little bit of my brown sugar as well as my white sugar. Now I love brown sugar, however the taste be coming from mainly from the white sugar, so some use a combination of both. Got a combination of, and I know I'm like, why is she using this beat up? The more beat up it is, the more sweet it is. So a little bit of my banana extract. I'm gonna use the rest of this. A little bit like vanilla pudding mix. A heavy whipping cream. You need the salt. Milk. 1 instant coffee. Espresso ice. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that as well as regular ice. And then the last minute, I thought about adding some marshmallow fluff. Now I know they don't add theirs. However, I said, didn't I tell you it's gonna be a little different? I don't do everything the same like everybody else. When I think about a cream pie, I think about like the oatmeal pie and different pies. It got like that marshmallow taste. So I'm like, girl, come on, you gotta add this. So yeah, I'm gonna do this. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna get started. Okay, with the cup I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna line it with my fluff. Yeah, good enough. Okay, I put in my very ripe banana in here. I'm also gonna put in like a teaspoon of this marshmallow fluff. I'm gonna also take like a teaspoon of my vanilla pudding. Oh shoot. Well, most of it came in here instead of the spoon. Put a pinch of salt. Yeah, I got my own processor today. I can't prepare it. I'm gonna put a little bit of my banana extract as well. I'm gonna take that and go ahead and blend it up. Okay, what I did was add like a tablespoon and a half of the whipping cream. Ooh, it look good. It smell good too. It's good. This is like a banana cream pie for real. I'm gonna put this to a cup and put this in the refrigerator. Let it cool. I'll show you next to Lois. Okay, I'm gonna make the coffee real quick. Inside another cup, I got some marshmallow fluff. You only need 1 teaspoon, but yeah, because I use this to, don't mind that though. And put your packet of instant coffee. Or some of my milk in here. I'm putting my vanilla extract. I think I'm putting a little bit of sugar, of the white sugar. I am gonna add salt now, like a pinch. Alright, just shake it up. Alright, this is how it looks once I added everything. I'm gonna put this refrigerator to the side as well. And I'll show you the next thing. Goes well. Okay, now the other banana, I'm gonna cut that. Try to do it without butter. Hopefully it come out right. Put a little bit of my brown sugar on here. But I know some like Dunkin' Donuts don't do that. What you doing? I'm doing it my way. It's just you don't understand. But I'm gonna turn it on medium-high heat. It's starting to caramelize a little bit. You see like there's brown sugar. I'm gonna try to rub it at the bottom so it can get to the bottom too. Yeah. I'm gonna make the cold foam now. Put a little bit of my whipping cream and some banana extract. My vanilla pudding mix. Go ahead and froth that. Alright, now I'm pouring my coffee. Wait, no. Oh my goodness. Why I always keep doing this? It's supposed to go at the bottom before the ice. And I'll take the ice out. Okay, I'm gonna put in my thing that I made, and that's with the very ripe bananas. Alright, now I'm putting my ice. Alright, I'm pouring my coffee now. This is the cold foam I made. Sometimes you gotta do things with your hands. And this is one of them times, because I'm not gonna play with you. So good, y'all. I think I gotta mix it, but it's still good. Well, I couldn't mix it at first because it was so heavy, heavy. You are so heavy, baby. I'm about to take some. Look at me. Look at me. But if you make it, you don't have to look. You can experience it, like me. It's good. You taste the banana. I get probably a little bit of the cream, but more of the banana. I thought it was gonna be like topped with the one I just did with the Willy Wonka. If you didn't see that one, you gotta see that one. It's so good. But that, like I said, you gotta watch that video. I think I'm gonna get this a 9.9. It's great, it's good, but I just wanted just a teensy bit sweeter. Added a little bit more sugar. I thought it was gonna be like too sweet, so that's the reason why I didn't add. It's still good, but a 9.9. People they don't like theirs so sweet. It's the one, not the two for them. It's good. It's one for me too, but just a little bit more sugar. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. You have a blessed day.